Hello everyone, if you have Honda Jazz and you missing your radio code, you can find it on user manual. But if you're missing it, you have a two choice: call dealership or do it for free if you follow my steps. First, you have to ignition on. Do not start the car. After, you have to press button 6 and 1 together and on the radio. Uh, 6 1 and on. Now you can see serial number on the screen. This number you have to copy on or make a picture. And next step, we have to go Honda website, type serial number and get radio code for free. For find right Honda website, type on Google Honda radio code, follow down and find the official Honda website, Honda radio code, my garage. Press link, find after blue badge and go underneath and press radio on Navi code. After you choose your year, my older 2012, and here you type your serial number. Press submit, your code will be found. That's it. 15543 15543. That's it. Radio code for free. Thank you for watching.